see? This one boneless chicken. Assalamualaikum Habibi, كيف حالك? Alhamdulillah. My name is MarcMyWord, and today I have paper here. Today we have chicken shawarma plate. No. My wife already ate this. Vine leaves, boneless chicken with rice. This is the boneless chicken with rice, mixed grill, vine leaves, Coke, and mixed appetizers, and some garlic mayonnaise. Okay, so guys, let's start. Yalla Habibi, Surah. First, as tradition, we will start with bread. Bread, this one. And we are putting some fries and beef. We put like this, and we dip in the mayo. Very good. Number one. I have here hummus. Very good hummus. This Arabic food number one. You must try, Habibi. We will not eat too much bread because I have too much rice here. Okay? There, no problem. Yeah. I forgot to open my cook. While I'm putting my cook, do you know that here in Middle East, very good climate now, very cool, but summer very hot. Okay, yan lang. Olive. Number one. Kebab. KOFTA. Not KOFTA. This is I forgot the name. Very good. I have friend. His name is Mark. He is very good man. Very handsome also. Next time, I will tell him to come here with me. Okay? This rice very good. See, this is the BUKHARI rice. Turkish people also eating this. Bro, you see, this is very good. This is actually minced meat. Skewer. I put in skewer after the barbecue. Very good technique. Mafi Alibaba. Only charcoal, no put oven. All original. Chili. Number one. Marhaba habibi. Kulo tamam. Very good, very good. Hello Philippines. Hello Doha, Qatar. All people okay? Kinta kalamarabi. Ana sweswe. May duplicate. Chicken lang. Very good. Number one. Qatar. Do you know Qatar? Qatar is the host of FIFA 2022. We have 8 stadium here, all very big. Before other people, no malum this area. Now too much malum. Before only malum Dubai. Now, Kulu people, all people, malum this. Here in Qatar, number one oil. Qatar is small country but too much money. And I forgot again the name. This one chicken, huh? Chicken. Mapi haram, all chicken. This one, put here. The number one. Beef. Very good, Habibi. Onion, very good. Power coming. Not too much after you toothbrush, huh? This one boneless chicken. See? Shuf. Ah, very good. Number one. Today I'm very happy because you see my video. You happy? I'm happy. Okay? Chili. No, this olive. Olive only appetizer. Chicken. This chicken very good. No bone this one, muffy bone. Very good with rice. If you want to visit Qatar, check with your family. Check for family visit. After, very good. You will see very good places here. Company also very good. Very good salary. Sometimes coming 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 10,000 real, 20,000 real. No problem, Habibi. Some people swear, but very good people. Chicken number 1. Very good food. Very good. Chili. Me, very important. Here, respect. Your religion different, no problem. Okay? Never, no fighting, no problem. No gir, talking. Okay? Good. Always friend. Okay? You know have work? Come here, Qatar. Very good job. Too much opening here. You have experience? No experience? No problem. But salary Swiss low, but no problem. Experience after 2-3 years, after salary coming kabir, big. I hope you enjoy my video. Maybe next time again coming. Baden coming. Habibi, okay? If you want also, Ana teach you Arabic. Anna not name, Muffy name. Anna means me. Inta, you. Okay. Me forget this one. Very good. Hello also to my Indian friends. I forgot. Sorry. Malish. Chicken. Boneless chicken. No problem. Tomato. This chicken is new cooking, very juicy. Now maybe up 30 minutes finish. But still good. Sweet twinkle. After food down. Excuse me. Finish. Excuse me. Thank you very much for watching. Again, my name is MarcMyWord. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell. Or visit my Facebook page, MarcMyWord TV. Okay. Mas salamat. Thank you very much.